Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again. Just thought I'd throw up a quick video just before I go home today on Saturday, just chatting about diesel jeans. Now, they do tend to wear out a little bit quicker than some other jean brands. I do put this down to something, I think, because with diesel jeans, they tend to put a little bit of elastine in their denim compared to with other manufacturers, so they do tend to have premature crotch blowouts happening. This gentleman sent me, he wears diesel jeans quite a lot. This gentleman sent me 3 pairs to get sorted out. As you can see there, they are in quite bad shape, but don't worry, I can fix them. I have all the correct denims I can use, the correct cottons, the colours and everything to match in, so I can blend in. I can do a really good durable repair. It doesn't just look good, it is durable as well, so you should see at least another year to 2 years out of them in the crotch area once it's been repaired. I have seen some of the repairs last even longer than that, like 4 or 5 years, so it just depends on jean to jean really, and how often you wear them. If it's your only pair of jeans, obviously you're just hammering them all the time, but if you're rotating them a bit, say like you do with shoes, then obviously they do you know, obviously the repairs will last longer as well. So if you want to get in touch, also, you know, Diesel Jeans, Levi's, Edwin, Nudie, all jean makes a repair. But specifically just this video, I just wanted to touch on about Diesel, and I do think they do wear out a little bit more premature than say some other makes, and I think this is down to they do have like 1 or 2% of elastine in their jeans in most of them, which gives them obviously a nice fit, but prematurely they do have blowouts in the crotch area and in the knee areas, so it's just something to be conscious of if you do have Diesel jeans. But don't worry, they can be repaired by myself, or you know, there is some other people out there who do repair jeans as well. So if you've got any questions, drop me an email. It's michael@denim.co.uk on the email. You can find me on Instagram where I'm on a lot. I'm on there a lot. You can DM me. I'll get back to you quickly. We do have a Facebook page as well, so you can drop me a message on there if you've got any questions about any repairs, alterations. We do, obviously with some of the diesel ones, the older style ones, the boot cut, we do slim them down into a nice slim cut, so we can make them a more modern fitment, so you don't have to just, you know, bin them or, you know, eBay them or whatever. You can get them altered as well. So yeah, so thanks very much for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Like, share and subscribe to the video if you like it, and yeah, give us a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, have a great weekend. Thank you, bye bye.